Did you know your body is at its best for burning fat in the first few hours after waking up? Unfortunately, many people accidentally stop this process with their very first meal. That's because what you eat in the morning signals your body whether to burn fat for fuel or store it. After researching thousands of people on their journey to shed stubborn belly fat, one of the biggest breakthroughs we see is fixing that very first meal of the day. In this video, I'll be sharing the 10 best breakfast foods that can train your body to burn fat effectively. I'll also explain what each one does inside your body and how to use them correctly so you don't sabotage your fat loss efforts. Without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. Food number 1. Support your liver with eggs. Let us start with the food that helps with one of the biggest fat loss obstacles most people didn't even know they have: a sluggish liver. Your liver plays a huge role in deciding whether fat gets burned or stored. When fat starts accumulating in the liver, fat loss across your entire body slows down, especially around your belly. Many adults over 50 have a fatty liver to some degree without even knowing it. There are no obvious symptoms. It's just silent weight gain. But there's a solution: eggs. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a nutrient that helps the liver clear out fat so it can be burned efficiently. A large egg yolk contains about 147 milligrams of choline. Eating 2 to 3 whole eggs in the morning gets you close to half your daily requirement. With your liver properly supported, it processes and exports fat more efficiently, giving your metabolism a natural boost. Eggs are also packed with leucine, an amino acid that helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Maintaining muscle is critical for keeping your metabolism active, even when you're resting. Pro tip: don't throw away the yolk, it's the most beneficial part. Plus, around 75 to 80% of the cholesterol in your blood is actually produced by your liver, not from what you eat. For breakfast, I recommend having 2 to 3 whole eggs. You can cook them however you like: scrambled, boiled, poached, or sunny side up. Add some veggies like sauteed spinach, a few slices of avocado, or sprouted grain toast for extra fiber. Food number 2. Greek yogurt to stay full. Let's fix a common breakfast mistake that leaves people hungry by mid-morning: eating protein that digests too quickly. This spike and drop in amino acids can trigger hunger hormones too soon. That's where Greek yogurt comes in. The key is plain, full-fat Greek yogurt, which is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that forms a gel in your stomach. This slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. In addition to being filling, Greek yogurt contains live probiotic cultures that benefit your gut health. These probiotics can increase GLP-1, a hormone that helps you feel full, similar to how weight loss medications like Ozempic work. For breakfast, stick to 1 cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Be sure to check the label for live and active cultures. You can add toppings like berries, chia seeds, or cinnamon, all of which support fat loss without spiking your blood sugar. Food number 3. Avocado, the healthy fat. Many people still fear fat when trying to lose weight, but avocado is a fat that actually helps your body burn more fat. Avocados are packed with oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that stimulates genes responsible for burning fat for energy. By replacing fast-digesting carbs like muffins or toast with half to a whole avocado, you can increase fullness for up to 6 hours. Avocados also improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. For breakfast, simply slice up half an avocado or blend it into a smoothie. You can also add it to your eggs or toast. It's a powerful, fat-burning food. Food number 4. Steel-cut oats for stable energy. When most people eat carbs like cereals or bagels, their blood sugar spikes quickly and fat burning slows down. But steel-cut oats are different. They contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that slows digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Moreover, when oats are cooked and then cooled, some of the starch transforms into resistant starch, which your body can't fully digest. This resistant starch travels to your colon and activates a pathway that increases fat burning, much like exercise or fasting does. For breakfast, make overnight oats with rolled or steel-cut oats, and add your favorite liquid almond milk, coconut milk, or even Greek yogurt. Add toppings like chia seeds, berries, or a scoop of collagen protein for extra nutrients. Food number 5. Berries for fat-burning power. Let's now focus on a food that helps change the behavior of your fat cells. Most people think fat cells are just storage spaces, but there's actually brown fat, which burns energy to produce heat. As we get older, our brown fat decreases, making it harder to burn calories and easier to store them. But there's good news. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries can help encourage your body to burn more fat. Berries are rich in anthocyanins, the antioxidants that give them their vibrant color. These compounds have been shown to help reduce belly fat and prevent weight gain, especially when eaten regularly. In one study involving twins, those who consumed anthocyanin-rich foods like berries had significantly less visceral fat than their siblings who didn't, even with the same genetics and upbringing. For breakfast, enjoy about 1 cup of berries, fresh or frozen. You can add them to your Greek yogurt, oats, or smoothie. Just be sure to avoid fruit juices, as they lack fiber and spike blood sugar, which works against fat loss. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's the best way you can support us. Now, let's move on to the next number. Food number 6. Chia seeds for longer satiety. Now, let's talk about something that can help you feel satisfied longer. If you've ever eaten breakfast and found yourself hungry again by a.m., it's likely because your meal digested too quickly, causing your blood sugar to rise and fall rapidly. Chia seeds can fix this. When they absorb liquid, they expand and form a gel-like texture. This not only slows digestion, but also takes up physical space in your stomach, signaling to your body that you're full. In one study, just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds added to yogurt reduced calorie intake at the next meal by nearly 25%. These seeds also slow digestion, ensuring more stable energy and fewer cravings during the morning. For breakfast, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to your yogurt, overnight oats, or a smoothie. You can also make chia pudding by soaking them overnight in your preferred liquid. Just make sure to let them absorb liquid before eating, as dry chia seeds can be tough to swallow. Food number 7. Sprouted grain bread, a healthier carbohydrate. Many people avoid bread when trying to lose belly fat, but not all breads are created equal. While white bread or sugary muffins cause a spike in blood sugar, sprouted grain bread is processed differently by the body. Made from grains that have started to germinate, sprouted grain bread has a lower glycemic index, meaning it won't raise your blood sugar as quickly. In fact, research shows that sprouted bread causes a much lower blood sugar response than regular bread, even when both have the same carbohydrate content. Sprouted bread also contains more fiber and protein than regular bread, making it a great addition to a fat-burning breakfast. For breakfast, try a slice of sprouted grain bread topped with avocado, eggs, or nut butter. Just be mindful of portion size, as too much bread can still impact blood sugar. Pairing it with healthy fats or proteins helps keep your metabolism stable. Food number 8. Grapefruit for appetite control. Before your main breakfast, you can use grapefruit to curb hunger and improve fat burning. Eating half a grapefruit 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast can help reduce your appetite and lower the glycemic response of the meal that follows. Grapefruit contains a compound called naringenin, which helps improve how your liver processes sugar and can even slightly increase calorie burn at rest. Studies show that people who consumed grapefruit before meals lost up to 4 pounds over 12 weeks, just by reducing their portion sizes without changing anything else. For breakfast, just have half a grapefruit. It's not a full meal, just an appetizer that will help you feel fuller. And if you're on medication, please consult your doctor, as grapefruit can interact with certain drugs. Food number 9. Leafy greens to curb cravings. Many people experience non-hunger cravings, like wanting something sweet or salty, even when they're not physically hungry. This is often due to psychological hunger, or mind hunger. One powerful way to address this is by consuming leafy greens like spinach, kale, or collard greens. Leafy greens contain thylakoids, compounds that slow down fat digestion and reduce cravings. Studies have shown that people who consume spinach extract with thylakoids experienced up to a 95% reduction in junk food cravings and lost more weight than those who didn't. For breakfast, consider adding a handful of leafy greens to a smoothie. You can blend spinach or kale with some berries, a scoop of collagen protein, and your favorite nut milk for a satisfying, nutrient-dense breakfast. Food number 10. Black coffee for fat mobilization. Finally, let's talk about a breakfast beverage most people already drink: coffee. But if you're adding sugar or flavored syrups, you're canceling out the fat-burning benefits. Black coffee, or coffee with a splash of unsweetened milk, can actually support fat burning because it triggers your nervous system to release stored fat into your bloodstream for energy. Caffeine in coffee also boosts your metabolic rate for a few hours, helping you burn more calories. However, if you turn your coffee into a sugary dessert, you'll spike your blood sugar and shut down fat burning. For breakfast, have a cup of black coffee or with unsweetened milk. If you're in a rush, try my personal shortcut: blend a tablespoon of grass-fed butter, a scoop of collagen protein, and a bit of coconut oil into your coffee for a creamy, energy-boosting beverage that won't spike your blood sugar. These are the 10 best foods that can set your body on the path to burning fat efficiently. Remember, it's not just about the foods you eat, but also how and when you eat them. And if you want to make sure you're optimizing your fat burning in the morning, don't miss my next video where I'll share the 5 crucial breakfast rules that ensure your body stays in fat burning mode all day long. If you found these tips helpful and you're ready to kickstart your fat burning journey, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment below telling me which breakfast food you're most excited to try, and let's get the conversation going. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more health tips and hacks like these. Let's make this the year of healthier, happier mornings together. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.